Hey guys, welcome to vikishub-diys. So today is gonna be another episode of reviewing some of the DIYs I already did. So if you don't already know, I'm making a series of videos where I review the DIYs I already made in the past, like the designs and all that, like to ascertain or make you guys see if it actually lasts or not, because I believe that some people do not have faith in DIYs. Alright, so this series is basically to just review you guys faith that always wanting to try DIY items but maybe feel like it doesn't last. Alright, so for this episode or today's episode, the item I'll be reviewing is these heels. Alright, so I made this design like I don't know when, but I think maybe last year I uploaded it last year or last 2 years. I'm not sure. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. But because I stitched it on, I stitched this on as well as this. It hasn't moved, which is supposed to be, because once you stitch it on, unlike when you glue, sometimes it stays better and stronger. Alright, so I've used this heel, has really served me for a long time. The actual heel I got it like I think about 4 years, 5 years, going to 5 years now. I got the actual heels before I switched it up to this design, and it's been serving me so good because of the different colors in this. So I don't really have much places to go to, like office and all that. I can't wear this to college as well, but I do wear this to church whenever I'm going to church on Sundays. So I'm just gonna try on and show you guys what it looks like right now, and I'm also gonna insert a video of how it was in the past, like the first time I did it, what it looked like. Alright, so let's just get ahead and try this on.